all our... What do you think, Liam?
Why is it like this? Fantastico!
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! And this is my pamangkin, Liam. Wanna say something?
Kamusta po?
Kamusta, kabayan? Yeah, today we're going to cook Landjäger. This one. This is the one. This is from Switzerland. My friend gave me this one. This is fresh from Switzerland. It's like kinda longganisa. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, we're going to grill this one without anything. Yeah, we can cook it without cooking all our... So we're going to cook this one inside the house.
In the part 2.
Yeah, because it's better if we're going to cook this outside so that we can grill it, but we don't have time and it's really hard to go out, so we'll cook it here. We're going to cook it here with Liam. Yeah, he will be the chef, my partner. Okay, say something. Yeah, he's wearing his apron. So yeah, she will be the judge later. Not judge. To check what's the taste of this Landjager from Switzerland.
Landjäger.
Yeah, Landjager. Nice. Okay.
Landjäger food.
Yeah. Say thank you to them.
Thank you.
Thank you for this one. Oh, say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll cook now. See ya. Choo. Okay.
Welcome to our part 3 video. Hello, Boomsan.
We're going to cook it now. Come on here. Yeah, the pan is hot already, right? What do you think, Liam?
Why is it like this?
Yeah. Don't play with the food.
Look at a mouse.
It's very naughty.
Welcome to our part 4 video.
A few moments later.
So, yan na nga siya, guys.
Welcome to our part 5 video.
We're going to taste it now. Okay, so you wanna taste it now, right, Liam? Okay, let's try.
Make it apart.
Huh?
Make it apart.
Yeah. Let's try how it tastes. Wow, I think it's very nice. It will taste good. Oh, give me your come on, give me your plate. Okay, I'll taste it all. Okay. And then
This only 2?
only two. No, it's this all. You have to just try first, and then you can try. You can take more. So, what's the taste? Try. Oh. Juicy. You
Oh,
like it?
juicy.
Juicy and delicious. What is? What are you gonna say? What's the taste? It's
So
good?
good.
It's good? You like it? Okay, so you like it? And
So crunchy.
crunchy? Or what? Nothing? It's not crunchy. Okay. Okay.
The judge is
Liam. And
trillion.
you like it?
Yes.
What's the taste? You like it?
Yeah, but that one
my god. So meaning it's very delicious, right? You like it so much? Okay. So guys, just to give you a short info about Landjäger, it is a type of sausage traditionally made with pork, beef, and spices. Okay, that's why it's really tasty. So the German word Jäger means hunter, which is linked to its traditional as a food consumed by hunters because it could be easily carried and eaten on long trips. It also has a history as a soldier's food because it doesn't need refrigeration and comes in single serving portions. So okay to pag nagka-camping kasi hindi na siya kailangan lutuin ng sobra-sobra. So ihaw-ihaw lang ng konti, okay na siya. But it says we did keep all the things you love about it. Okay. Our Landjager is still smoked slowly over the real hardwood and cured naturally with no added nitrates or nitrites for a rich, smoky flavor that will satisfy the savory craving. And it's still completely free of post-paints, artificial colors, chemical preservatives, allergens, gluten, soy sauce, and MSG. Wow! That's nice, Landjäger. Yeah, I really love this Landjäger. And I got to know this only because of my friend. Yeah, his family is living there. So, and last time he went for a vacation and he got this as a gift, as pasalubong from Switzerland. And it's really nice. So yeah, this is the one. To research something so that I'll be familiar with this. Okay, thank you. Ate Vic, try mo nga kung anong lasa.
Iba pa ba yan?
Ha? Oo.
Ay, nakadito
Ito.
kayo?
Oo.
Ano, dinadamay ako dyan.
Yeah, say hi to my vlog.
Hi!
Say hi to my fans out there.
Hindi ko sinabi, nabablog. Stop mo na.
Try mo na.
Anong gawa mo niya rito?
Inihaw.
This is really fun. This is so burnt.
Saan lasa? Sarap, diba? Gawa siya sa pork at beef.
Halo?
Kaya tasty siya.
Hindi mo nilagyan ng oil.
Approve. Wala. No oil. No oil at oil.
Pero ngayon may salad.
Yeah. Okay. Tastes good. So, that's all for today. I hope you like it, guys. Our short video. It's not short. Yeah, something good for today. Yeah, this is our first video together. Yeah, we used to make video for my Facebook only, but this time this is for my channel. And thank you, Liam. Thank you. Yeah. What are you going to say to them?
Hello. Fantastico!
Fantastic. Invite them to like and subscribe my channel. Come on.
Please subscribe my tita's YouTube channel.
Please. Thank you. Say bye na.
Bye.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah.
Bye.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. This is my pumpkin Liam. Say bye to